The rise of Android, a revolution in the digital age. In the vast realm of technology, one name stands out as a true game changer: Android. Since its inception, Android has revolutionized the way we interact with our devices, connecting billions of people worldwide through its user-friendly interface and limitless possibilities. From smartphones to smartwatches, Android has become an integral part of our daily lives, empowering us with its versatility and innovation. A brief history. Android, developed by Android Inc., was first introduced in 2003 as an operating system for digital cameras. However, its potential soon caught the attention of Google, who acquired the company in 2005. Under Google's stewardship, Android underwent a significant transformation, evolving into a full-fledged operating system for mobile devices. The power of open source. One of Android's defining features is its open-source nature. This means that the source code is freely available, allowing developers to modify and enhance the platform to suit their needs. This openness has led to a vibrant ecosystem of apps and a multitude of device options, giving users unparalleled freedom and customization. Ubiquitous presence. Android's impact extends far beyond smartphones. It has expanded into various domains, including tablets, smart TVs, and even automobiles. Its adaptability has made it the go-to choice for many manufacturers, resulting in a diverse range of devices for consumers to choose from. The app advantage. With over 3 million apps available on the Google Play Store, Android users enjoy a vast array of options to enhance their digital experience. From productivity tools to entertainment, there is an app for every need and desire, making Android a true digital companion. Seamless integration. Android's ability to seamlessly integrate with other Google services, such as Gmail, Google Maps, and Google Drive, adds another layer of convenience for users. This integration ensures a smooth experience across multiple devices, allowing seamless transitions between work and play. Innovation and adaptability. Android continues to push the boundaries of innovation, constantly updating its operating system with new features and improvements. From facial recognition to augmented reality, Android embraces emerging technologies, ensuring users stay at the forefront of the digital revolution. Conclusion. Android has transformed the way we interact with technology, empowering us with its open-source nature, diverse device options, and a vast array of apps. Its seamless integration with other Google services and commitment to innovation have cemented its position as a global leader in the digital landscape. As Android continues to evolve, it promises to shape the future of technology, making our lives more connected, convenient, and exciting than ever before.